to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be doing squishy pet peeves. If you didn't hear that. Squishy pet peeves. And it's going to be really fun. I'm doing it only with one squishy because I only have one squishy right now. So this is it's the football crush ball that I'll be doing it with. So okay, but we're not going to get into that. I hope you all are having or had a very great Thanksgiving. I don't know if I did because this is going to be posted on Thanksgiving Day and this is the night before. But I really hope I do. Hopefully nothing has gone on. I really hope everyone had an amazing Thanksgiving. So, let's get on with the video. Let's roll. So, the first pet peeve is when someone squishes the squishy, but doesn't take their fingers off the squishy. There are YouTubers like that, and oh my gosh, it gets on my nerves so bad. So here's what it looks like. So hi guys, today I'm going to be squishing a squishy for you guys. I'm editing this. Why did I sound like Miranda sings in that scene? I am so stupid. So, yeah. Let's do it. As you can tell, it's super slow rising. In that scene, literally, I forgot that I was doing squishy pet peeves. So yeah, that was me squishing and squishing. The next squishy pet peeve that we're going to be doing today is when somebody doesn't know how to squish a squishy. Okay, so I'm one of those girls who like people to squish it like this. And but some people just go. And just very distractedly. So let's go. Hi guys, today I'm going to be squishing a squishy for you guys, so let's go. In that scene, I literally hated the pet peeve so much, I did like the face like, oh. This camera doesn't want to focus. Okay. This thing isn't even so fuzzy. So yeah, that was me squishy. The next squishy pet peeve I'm going to be doing is when you're so angry with this squishy, you go very, very, very loudly. So if you're wearing headphones, I prefer you to take them out or do something. Hey guys, I'm very mad. So you're gonna watch me squish a squishy because it's supposed to be stress relievers. Bye. The next glorious pet peeve we're going to be doing is when people just do this. Bye, guys, like that. It just gets on my nerves so bad when people do that. All right. What was that? Okay. Hi, guys. Today I'm going to be squishing. It's going to be like a 2-second video. Let's go. There you go. Goodbye. That one was very boring. I'm just going to say, very boring. The next pet people they're going to do was actually a very, very, very amazing and honoring pet peeve to do because it has my evil cousin, Melinda. It's very honoring to have her in because, like, yeah, I just decided it. I love this pet peeve. We're going to bring the camera closer, okay? Just bear with me here. So, like, it's kind of honoring to have her in, but, like, at the same time, she's my evil cousin, so, like, yeah. Hey, guys, it's Melinda here, back. So today, we are going to be basically squashing a squatchy, which we have never done before on oh my gosh, I almost said my channel, but we're going to be doing on Mailee's channel, so yeah. I'm not wearing my glasses because I finally got them taken off, so yeah, I'm wearing a beautiful pink shirt. Okay. Squishing a squishy. I've never done this before, so. That was being squat. Alright, guys, if you haven't noticed in that, it was honoring because, well, okay, I'm going to tell you, Melinda's not real, okay? It's me playing Melinda, blah, blah, blah. So, Melinda, is very honoring because she did all the pet peeves 7. So, one last squish of the squishy. Peace. Trying to make the wind never brings me down.